Hey there, this is Marty Dickinson with the George Sutton Toastmasters Club, and I found a way to solve a big problem in Toastmasters, and that is how to have a timing system for your speeches in Toastmasters. There is a free web-based application out there that you don't have to download, you don't have to pay for, it's totally free. You just get on your phone and you go visit a link and you get to the website and you use the timer. And it has a green light, a yellow light, and a red light. So I'm going to show it to you. I'm on the side over here, but my cell phone is in the middle of the screen. So I have just gone to georgesuttontoastmasters.com where I have posted the link to this free web-based tool on the website. I figure if we find something better down the road, then I can change the link and you can still find our website to see what we're using. And if I'm sure our club, it's been around for 30 plus years, I'm sure our club will go on longer than probably most free web-based tools that are out there. So I figured the best thing to do would be to just put the link on our website, and you can go to our website anytime and see the most current timing system that we are using. So I'm going to have to look at my phone to do this, but you'll see me go through the phone as I do things to it here. So I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm enlarging the screen for you so that you can see the resources tab. So click on resources, and then you'll see in the middle of the screen here, there is a link that says free web-based timers. I'm going to tap on that. And now I have arrived at the website where the timer is. So it already has table topics already set up, evaluation is set up, 5 to 7 minutes for speeches, and you'll see the 1.5, 2 minutes, and 2 minutes and 30 seconds for a disqualification. All those fields can be changed. So just to demonstrate this, I'm going to tap into one of those screens, and then you have to have numbers and then a colon and then numbers again. So I'm gonna put in 00 colon, and let's back that up and say 05. So the green light will come on in 5 seconds. And then we'll set this one so that the green light comes on at 10 seconds. And then we'll set this one so that the red light comes on at 15 seconds. And then we want to demonstrate what the timer does at 20 seconds once the person has gone over time. So now there's a button you'll see below the start button to the right that says done. So you need to tap on done to save those numbers, and then click start when you're ready. So I'm going to click start, and let's see what happens after 5 seconds. The green light will come on and the clock keeps ticking, and then we get to the yellow at 10 seconds, and then when we get to 15 seconds, we get the red light, and now that's going to change to 20 seconds once we get there, and now it's blinking. So that means you have been disqualified, you have gone over time, but notice that the timer does not stop. It keeps going, which is the right thing to do, because sometimes, as you know, speakers don't care about time and they just keep plowing forward. Well, you can write down their time at the end and cut them off, whatever you want to do, but at least the light's blinking, it's making an attempt. So I will now tap on stop, and then I will reset, and that brings me back to the original timing. So again, every time through the meeting that the session changes from table topics to the speeches and then to the evaluation, I just tap into the radio button for those set speeches. And if you have a 10 to 12 minute speech, well, you just go down to those little text boxes and you change the numbers, and then remember to tap on done and then start when you're ready. There are 2 ways you can display this timing device to your club members during a speech. The first way is like I've done here, where you set up the timer to actually be one of the attendees. So then everyone would see that image of the clock itself, and they'd see you changing the numbers and tapping around. But the other way is to show your phone on the screen, and that's the way I prefer to do it. So I'll go back to my 5, 10, 15 example for you. So what I would do in a speech setting is I would just hold onto my phone, and then when it turns green, I put the whole phone up to the camera eye, and I just let it sit there for the duration of the speech. after the green light comes on. I just hold it there for the whole time. And that seems to work. It gets attention by the speaker because they don't see any timing device at first, right? And then when I take the next step and put that phone right in front of the screen, well, that jumps out at them, and they're attracted to it then, and they know where they are in the timing. So experiment with both ways, see what works better for your club members, but I do suggest that everybody in your club, whoever is assigned the timer, uses the same timing device and uses the same process, whether you choose to display the timer as an attendee or just hold the phone up to the camera's eye. So there you go, a free web-based timing device that you don't have to download any app. You can visit that website last minute and pull it up and use its function very easily, and it's very low bandwidth, all the good things you'd want in a free web-based tool. I don't know who makes it. I haven't looked into it that far, but they did a really good job, and I definitely recommend that you give it a try. My name is Marty Dickinson with GeorgeSuttonToastmasters.com, and good luck. Hope to see you at one of our meetings soon. Come to visit, GeorgeSuttonToastmasters.com.